Today, we're going to dive into the Accelerated Piano Adventures book by Nancy and Randall Faber. I love this book. I use it both for my teen beginners and for my adult beginners. I prefer it to the Adult Piano Adventure series. The technique exercises are not on the app, and I think it's also very helpful to have a video to really see what's going on. So I'm making these for my students and anyone else who's wanting a little bit of extra information as they go through this book. The first technique exercise in this book is on page 6, but the very first thing they do is direct you back to page 4. So let's head over there right now. The reason I came here is to really point out that every technique exercise is preceded by a technique secret. And it's important to always go back to the technique secrets as your warm-up for that day. Now, this first technique secret, hand cups, is the only one that, I'll be honest, is not my favorite. I want to show you how to do it, and then I want to show you an alternate way to do it. The way it's written is that you're putting your hand over your knee to find a round hand shape, and then you're holding that shape as you go onto the piano. Now, the issue with this is that it develops a good bit of rigidity in the hands. I bet you can already feel it. So here's what I prefer instead. Let your hand rest with the back of your hand on your kneecap, the opposite way that they're instructing you to do it in this book. You're going to notice a natural round hand shape without that tension. And then take that round, tension-free hand over to the piano. For Tune Up with Thirds, I bring that round hand right to the middle of the piano. Here's my middle C. It's right next to the words on my piano. My 1 is on C, my 3 is on E. I'm exactly where I need to be. I can tell this is going to be a soft song, a piano song, because of this dynamic right here at the beginning. It'll be the same for left hand. Playing softly encourages a little bit more mindfulness, a little bit more focus. I'm setting up in the piano at the beginning, and I'll count myself in. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I try to keep all my fingers touching the keys as much as I can. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and my last one is C. 2, 1, 2. Now for extra credit, I can repeat this using fingers 2 and 4. It'll begin like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and it'll go all the way up again to C. For left hand, Tune Up with Thirds, I'm bringing my round left hand to the piano. I put my 1 on E and my 3 on C. And I'm all set up to begin playing softly. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Keep going. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Again, we have extra credit, and again, it's fingers 2 and 4. You can start it in the same spot, E and C. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And you keep going all the way to C and E.